In this video, I'm going to talk about keywords and identifiers. Keywords are reserved words in Python. We cannot use a keyword as an identifier. That is, you cannot use a keyword as a name given to a variable, function, class, or any other entity. Keywords are used to elucidate the form and language rules of Python. There are around 30 keywords in Python, which may vary with various versions of Python. All these keywords may be removed or added to different versions of Python. To access the keyword list in the current Python version, use the command import keyword. Let's try this out in Python. Print keyword.kw list. This gives a list of all the keywords in the Python version which we are using now. False, none, and true are some of the keywords given here in the list. For instance, true and false determine the outcome of Boolean operations in Python. Mango is equal to mango. The first example is true, so Python interpreter also gives true value. 400 is not equal to 400. The second example is false, so Python gives false for the second statement. There are some rules to be considered when creating identifiers. First, it can be a mixture of letters, numbers, or an underscore only. For instance, Margarita can be an identifier. Califo, all in uppercase, can be an identifier. CA underscore Kate, where CA only is in uppercase, can be an identifier. Identifier cannot begin with a number. Califo 2 is a valid identifier. However, one Califo is not a valid identifier. Keyword cannot be used as an identifier. For example, we have Dell in the keyword list here. We cannot define Dell as a variable. For example, since Dell is a keyword, we cannot define Dell to be equal to 900. This gives a syntax error. You cannot put special symbols including exclamation sign, at, hash, dollar, or the percent symbol in an identifier. We cannot define calif hash to be equal to 600 in Python. This will give a name error that name calif is not defined. Identifier can be of any length. Python language is case sensitive. For instance, Margarita, where M is in uppercase, and Margarita, where M is in lowercase, are different identifiers or variable names as such. Keyword cannot be used as an identifier. Identifier cannot begin with a number or have any special symbol such as an exclamation sign, at, hash, dollar, or percent symbol. Identifier can be of any varying length and can only be a combination of letters, numbers, or an underscore only. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos on data analytics and Python.